Hey there. Have you ever felt that urge to take apart your old toys just to see what's inside? That curiosity about how all the little gears and wires fit together to make things work? Or maybe you're the one who loves solving tricky puzzles that stump everyone else. Perhaps you spend hours building things with your hands, or you're always trying to figure out what makes machines tick. If that sounds like you, then you might just have the mind of an engineer. It's a special way of seeing the world, and it could be your first step on the path to a seriously cool career. Let's talk about engineering and advanced manufacturing. These are amazing jobs for people who love to tinker, invent, and solve problems. It's all about creativity and making new things. Imagine designing rockets as an aerospace engineer, or creating life-saving tech as a biomedical engineer. You could build robots as a robotics engineer, or design the strong bridges and buildings we use every day as a civil engineer. But here's the thing. Every big journey starts with a small step. You don't start out building spaceships on day one. Everybody begins with the basics. For a career in tech, that means math. It's the language that helps you solve problems and make sure everything fits. And reading blueprints. These are like maps for builders, showing you exactly how to put something together. You'll also need to know your way around computers, not just for games, but for designing and controlling amazing machines. And of course, always putting safety first. Working with powerful tools means being smart and responsible. These fundamentals are things you're already learning. That means paying attention in math class, learning to use tools the right way, and working well with others. These skills open the door to entry-level jobs like an assembler, carefully putting products together, or a machine operator, running powerful factory equipment. Once you've got those down, you can level up with special training, tech school, or through an apprenticeship where you learn on the job. That's where you'll learn to program CNC machines to carve metal, command robotic arms to weld, design parts on a computer with CAD, and bring ideas to life with 3D printing. Suddenly, you're not just working with machines, you're making them smarter and faster. And if you keep going, you can master robotics programming, artificial intelligence that helps factories think, or even nanotechnology, building things atom by atom. That's when you get to lead big projects, invent brand new products that no one has ever seen, and maybe even change the world. So if you love figuring out how things work, pay attention to that curiosity. The skills you're building now are the first step on an amazing path. It all starts with today's lessons, like math.